Last year, right around this time, I did a video on my must-have Breville accessories. If you haven't already watched that video, I highly recommend you do. I will leave it linked up here. There is a ton of good stuff in there that absolutely still applies. However, in that video, I wish that this product had existed because I would have included it, which is a caster system for Breville Espresso machines, which makes it very easy to move them around your countertop. If you are anything like me and you have low overhead cabinets, you know that filling these rear water reservoirs can be a bit of a pain. You have to lift the machine forward or kind of chatter it along your countertop, fill the tank, and then push it back in. If you are anyone who struggles with lifting heavier things, this can be even more limiting. So I will have this aftermarket kit linked down in the description below. It is a very simple kit. It is relatively, I'd say, reasonably priced. It's a little bit up there, but like I said, if you're someone who struggles with lifting things, it is definitely worth it. The installation took all of 2 minutes, I'd say. You have to remove the 4 existing pads in each of the corners of the machine, and then use those screws to install 2 elevated risers in the front, and then the 2 casters in the back. Overall, I think it's a pretty neat system. I wish it could have been included in last year's video, but I think it warrants a quick video on its own just to let you guys know about it. So once again, I will have that system linked down in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and even consider subscribing if you want to see some more like it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.